Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 16 plate Nissan Qashqai Tekna. This is the 1.6 DIGT turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in blade silver metallic, and it's covered just 43,000 miles. So have a good walk around this stunning silver Qashqai. This is the Tekna model, so top of the tree in terms of specification. It's absolutely loaded with kit, this one. 43,000 miles, 2 former keepers. Arrived with us as a part exchange last week. A couple looking at downsizing. They bought a Corsa from us. They've had this one for a number of years. It's got excellent service history, 4 stamps in the book, all from Nissan. The last service was carried out just a couple of weeks ago along with the MOT at Nissan. No advisories, it was a major service as well, so it's absolutely ready to go, this one. It's got these stunning diamond cut alloy wheels. We've just had a couple of them refurbished, so they're all pretty much as good as new. You've got the Qashqai Side Steps, very snazzy. Of course, ever so popular, these Nissans, as with any SUV these days, but certainly the Qashqais are right up there in terms of popularity. Raised seating position, excellent visibility, loads of kit, like I say, which I'll run you through shortly. Just proper family cars. This is the 1.6 turbocharged petrol, 163 brake horsepower, so it goes really, really well actually. Road tax is £165 a year, so not too shabby on that front. You've got the tinted rear windows as we have a look inside. This is where the fun begins. I'll try and remember everything. I'm pretty certain I won't. Full leather interior. It's heated and cooled as well, using the little buttons just there. The seats are in excellent condition. The bolsters, etc., even on the driver's seat, all well and good. They're electronically adjustable, using those buttons at the bottom, and then onto the door cards. Got the leather armrests, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got a blind spot indicator, and so when you've got something that's coming into your point of view, if you can't see it, this light will flash up orange. As we work our way inside, you've got your lane assist, which is what I've just shown you up on the wing mirror there. You can turn your parking sensors off. Now it has front and rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera as well, so really no excuses for bashing it up. Onto the steering wheel, you've got controls for the cruise control and speed limiter, and then you've got your trip computer controls there. Automatic lights, just see poking through. It's got automatic wipers, push button start. On and on and on and on we go. Leather centre armrest. You've got some storage there and loads more storage in there. You've got an auxiliary port, USB, 12-volt socket. So we work our way forward. You've got a couple more cup holders, 6-speed manual gearbox, like I say, electronic handbrake, another 12-volt socket. Up above, I'll see if I can swoop around. Huge panoramic glass roof. That's a good bit of advertising. That's us. Huge glass panoramic roof, goes right the way towards the back of the car, behind the rear seats. And you can use in this button here, so if you push that, then it brings the cover electronically across. So if you don't want the sun beating down, start the car up. So foot on the clutch, push button start, away we go. There's your mileage, 43578. Back across the infotainment. Now this is the Nissan infotainment system that it's been about for quite a while. It used to be in the older Qashqais. They haven't changed an awful lot about them because they work really well, so why would you? Dual zone climate control. It's got the heated front screen, as in you can see the little, you probably can't today, but you can see the little lines in the front screen, so that heats it very, very quickly. They copied that from Ford, but it was a good idea, so why not? Satellite navigation. You've got your DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, If I put the car, let's click camera, shall we? So there's your front camera, and you say you've got 360-degree view. If I put the car into reverse, there's your rear camera. So front and rear cameras. Obviously, like I say, really nicely raised up off the ground. You've got these big windows. In the glove box there, you've got your handbooks, locking wheel nut, key. What more could you possibly need? It does come with 2 remote keys. Let's have a look in the back. Super clean and tidy. I've got to say the car itself is in fantastic condition. For what's a 6-year-old car now, it's very nice indeed. Nice and tidy in the rear. Door cards are all good on all 4 doors. Then as we have a look in the load space, parcel shelf all intact. You've got split folding rear seats. This load cover at the top. Now this comes out, and then you've got these 2 little slats below, and they both come out as well. So underneath that you've got even more space again. So ample boot space for all your family doings. And there we go. Super looking 16 plate Qashqai Tekna with the 163 brake horsepower petrol engine, manual gearbox, excellent service history. The car will come supplied with an MOT until the end of March 2023. It was just serviced at the same time as well, like I say, at Nissan, so all good to go. 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. Finance is available from £272 a month. And that's based on a 10% deposit at 10.9%. You can play with that on the website, and the website is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. You can contact us for our email as well, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And if you would like to call us, and we always find it's better if you do, 01989 769 900. Extremely popular cars, especially in this level of specification, so I'm sure this one will be snapped up. Thanks for watching. Please remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more cars just like this one. Thank you very much.